Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly convert GGives to CIMB Bank. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up our GCash app on our mobile device. From here we need to log in, so put in your PIN code to log in. And then from here you'll be taken to GCash's main menu. We want to go ahead and click onto bank transfer. And then from here, simply go ahead and find your CIMB Bank as the destination. Then on the next page, you need to provide the necessary information, including your CIMB Bank account number and account name. Then from there, we need to indicate the amount you wish to transfer from GGives to your CIMB Bank account. Then carefully check all the details for accuracy before confirming the transfer. Then after submission, wait for a confirmation message indicating the success of the transfer.